Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Shoplifter on His Birthday. Come on, man. Not on your birthday. That's crazy.
Why am I being arrested?
Get inside the car.
No. What was the warning?
Okay, they in the hood.
Listen, you can go inside the store.
Boss, man,
They don't want people hanging out here. That's fine.
You gonna nationalize my citizen law?
I don't even know what that means, man.
Man, fuck what you talking about.
What are you asking me, man?
Man, boss, man, I got money. I can spend my money.
Wait. He said you gonna nationalize my citizen law? Wait, what's that? Hold on now.
That's fine, man. Listen, you can go inside the store.
Man, boss, man,
They don't want people hanging out here. That's fine.
You gonna nationalize my citizen law?
I don't even know what that means, man.
Man, fuck what you talking about.
What are you asking me, man?
Man, boss, man, I got money. I can spend my money.
Beautiful. Spend it.
Spend your bag, dog. Come on, man. I got more money.
Spend it, man. You want to go to jail for that?
Yeah. Fuck up, nigga.
You want to go to jail for
I
that?
can spend my money, nigga.
You want to go to jail?
No. Man, boss, man, you ain't doing that wrong.
Why are you drinking a beer inside the store?
That man ain't getting nothing wrong.
Shut your mouth.
Boss man, you ain't getting nothing wrong.
Shut your mouth.
You ain't. Boss, you ain't did nothing wrong.
I'm going by what he say.
What you going by what he say? He don't do that, but he gotta make a law.
Throw this away.
Boss man, you gonna listen to him? Crazy as fuck, man. Let me get my sodas. Man. Let me buy me another soda. You got another law.
You what?
I don't need that.
You suck a nigga dick.
You what?
Yeah, you just told me out there drinking beer.
You crazy as fuck.
That's fine.
Come on, when I can't stop.
All right, man.
Right here.
Bro, you can't stand right here, man. He just said he doesn't want you in the store. He just said he does not want you in the store.
Where am I illegal
You have your ID?
premises?
Do you have your ID on you?
Man, boss man, I ain't gotta have ID, boss.
Okay, I'm asking you what your name
Boss
is.
man, I don't have to have ID, boss.
I'm asking you
What am I
what your
doing
name
wrong? What am I doing wrong?
You're being trespassed from this
Where
store.
am I being
Oh, my
trespassed?
boy on the
He does
bike.
not want you in the
Pulled
store.
up on the
He told you
bike.
that?
He just told you that.
Hey, boss man,
He told you, look, partner, listen. Hey, yo. Come here. Listen up real quick, man. Listen up.
So you put me in handcuffs because I couldn't buy a can of Vienna
You're being
sausages?
detained right now.
So I'm being detained because I couldn't get a can of Vienna sausages?
Yeah.
It's not about the can of Vienna sausage, bro. You know that.
Bro, what I'm being detained for?
Trespassing.
Bro, listen, dude.
If you want to talk like a man, then let's talk like a man. If you want to show your ass and be cursing at people and acting up,
listen,
I'm not your homie, man. I'm not your homie.
You ain't my dog. I don't give a fuck.
That's for sure.
Man, boss man, hey,
Do you
listen,
have
boss
ID
man,
on you?
I don't give a fuck.
Do you have ID on
Boss
you?
man, I live here. I don't give a fuck, boss. I don't give a fuck. I live here. I don't give no fuck what you talking about, boss. No fuck what you talking about, nigga. Fuck wrong with you, boss? I don't give a fuck what you say.
Oh man.
Are you done?
So I'm going to jail for being a
Are you
suspect.
done?
Nobody said you going to jail. So why I'm being
Are you
detained?
done?
Why I'm being detained? Because you acting. Boss, I need
Honestly though, I think he'll talk to the other cop. Like the one that got him in cuffs, he ain't really trying to hear nothing. But I think the other cop that pulled up on the bike, he'll talk to him.
listen. Hey, so I'm being detained for being a sausage? You being detained because how you acting, bro. Listen, man, you gonna take me to jail or you ain't?
Do you have ID on you?
You gonna take me to jail or you ain't? I got money to pay for what I bought.
Are you refusing to
I
give
got
me your
money to
ID?
pay for what I bought.
Are you refusing
Big
to
dog.
give me your ID?
I got money to pay for what I bought. I got money to pay for what I bought. The fuck? I got money to pay for what I bought. The fuck? What I'm going to jail for? I'm going to jail for what I paid for what I bought. I'm paying for what I bought. The fuck? Yeah, ain't nothing. Nothing. Keep searching. Nothing.
Relax.
No, you relax. Fuck, nigga.
Relax.
Fuck. Puss ass cracker, get your ass off me, nigga.
You ain't handcuffs, that's how you acting.
Man, listen, man, puss ass nigga. I'm in the store buying Vienna sausages.
That's how you acting, bro.
Listen,
Hold on.
your white ass, Tony Striker ass
I'm
homeboy.
not yelling at you, so stop yelling.
All right, well,
We
look,
can
I'm
talk
gonna tell you
without
like
yelling.
this.
Listen to me.
This man come grab me out of the stove,
I need you to listen to me.
bruh.
The reason why you got you out the store
Wait,
is because
no, listen. You're in Save-A-Lot. You buying a pack of pop. This shit come grab you.
If the store owner's calling saying they don't want you in the store,
But that man in there, we're allowed to
listen here, bro. How you think we got out with you earlier?
Man, boss man.
Because he called.
I want in my hand.
I need you to listen. I need you to listen now. I heard what you said. I need you to hear me. That's the reason why we made contact.
Search your ass off.
You're under
Bro, you
arrest.
listen?
I'm under arrest.
Bro, you listen?
Under arrest for what?
Trespass after warning.
Trespass out the warning.
Are you listening? I'm trying to explain it to you.
I'm under arrest.
I'm trying to explain it to you. That's the reason why we got out with you earlier. Because he called, said he didn't want you in the store because you was causing disturbance. Obviously, we made contact with you. You listening, bro? We made contact with you. You was cool. You wasn't tripping. Then we come back. You at the same store. Listen to me. You're at the same store he doesn't want you at. And
He
you still out
don't
here
say
crying.
shit.
Of course he ain't gonna say it. You're just gonna call it.
I'm spending money. That's a problem.
But if he don't want you in the store, it doesn't matter what type of money you're trying to spend. He don't want you in the store.
Saying though, like on some real shit though, my dog, like, you know, he been drinking since last night, his birthday weekend, you feel me?
man.
All right, boy. Fact of the matter is, we came out here once with him, and he said he was leaving, it was gonna be cool. Then he came back, still starting the same problem. We gave chances, but
Yeah, but
it
you
is
know how
what
it
it
is when
is.
you're intoxicated, fam.
I get it, but
feel me?
he can't keep causing problems. So
Somebody called or something?
yeah, they called it. We ain't just show up here. They calling us for it. Yeah,
He getting locked up for it?
that's what I'm being told. I just got here. I don't know.
Yeah, he had a little bit too much to drink.
Talk to your colleagues, bro. They ain't nothing but a pack of leaves. They ain't nothing but a pack of leaves.
Slide down this one. Slide down this one. Just slide down right here, man. Slide down right here. Bro, listen. Slide down right here.
Yeah, bro, listen, bro.
Slide down right here.
Check a nigga background. Check a nigga background.
Listen, man.
Y'all niggas act like real bitches.
Okay, well, it didn't have to come to this.
Real nigga shit, bro.
You've been out here all morning.
Hey, man,
showing your
big
ass.
dog, man, talk to your colleagues, bro. This your boss? Man. I was just trying to talk to you. Man, you ain't, bro. Hey, hi, bro.
Relax.
How the fuck? Man, come on, man. I ain't tripping, man.
Let's do it. Yep.
Oh, look how you acting.
Bro, he's been out here all morning showing his ass.
When the fuck you sent me out here all morning?
He's going to jail. Okay. Well, he's gonna go to jail now. That's what happens when you don't listen. Hey, you guys can roll, man. They don't want people hanging out there. There's no trespassing signs up there for a reason. Thank you.
Is you the officer that's arresting me?
Yep. Patterson.
Patterson.
Yep.
You gonna be the bitch to take me in.
Yep.
So tell your homeboy get the fuck off of me. I'll make that bit hard for all of us.
Relax. Relax.
Man, hell no, I'll make that bit hard for all of us. I'll make that bit hard for all of us. I gotta go in on my birthday weekend. Fuck nigga, I'll make it hard for all of us. Bro, stop let man, listen, bro, I don't give a fuck about you. You ain't my dog. Fuck, you taking me to jail for me doing what?
Relax.
Come on, bro, y'all sound green as fuck, bro.
You're just making it worse.
How I'm making it worse? I ain't do nothing.
Well, all you had to do was leave.
Bro, listen, I didn't do nothing.
That's all you had to do was leave.
Bro, listen, bro, what the fuck did I do?
You initially left, and then you want to come back, and you want to,
Bro, I bought product at the store.
He said you were stealing from the store. That's why he didn't want you there, and that's the reason why you got.
I was stealing from the store.
Jump in, bro.
Hey, bald head. They say I was stealing from the store.
Jump in, man.
Bald head.
Listen,
Bro, they say I was stealing from the store.
bro.
You hear me, D? Hey, listen, bro.
sit
You're
down,
not finna force me in no car, bro.
Look
Bro,
around,
listen,
look
bro.
around,
You
look
got
around,
me
look
fucked
around.
up, bro.
Look around.
No,
You're
bro.
very strong, right?
Bro,
You're very strong.
I was stealing from the store.
Hey, you're very strong.
That man just said I was stealing from the store.
But guess
Why I'm being arrested?
Guess who's strong?
Why am I being arrested?
5 guys, bro.
Why am I being arrested?
Get inside the car.
No, D.
Trespass after warning. I
D.
just told you that.
Why am I...
Have a seat. Have a seat. Get your legs inside the car, man.
Bro, what am I being arrested for?
I just told you, trespass after warning. Get your legs
Trespass after warning. What was the warning?
Get your legs inside the
What
car.
was the warning? What was the warning?
Earlier today.
What was the warning? What was the warning? What was the warning? So, okay, so this how y'all do people after trespass after warning?
Bro, we're giving you plenty of opportunity.
Man, listen.
Just gonna put
my camera in the back. Oh, you did?
Hey, y'all got me fucked. Yo, my damn door. You better stop kicking my damn door. Listen, fuck, nigga, you got me fucked up.
Bro, you need to calm down. Put him in the seat.
Y'all got me fucked up, boy.
Turn him around. Turn him around. Put him in the seat.
My mama, boy, y'all got me fucked up, boy.
Put your legs
Boy,
over
y'all
here.
got me fucked up.
Put your legs
boy.
over here.
Boy, y'all got me fucked up, boy.
Hey, we got to
Boy, y'all
seatbelt
got
him
me
in.
fucked up, boy. Man, boy, y'all got me fucked up, boy. Fuck wrong with y'all, nigga. Y'all got me fucked up. Look at me, boy. Fucked up, nigga.
Bro, you need to calm
Man,
down.
y'all got me fucked up, nigga.
You need to calm down.
Man, y'all got me fucked up, bro. Your pussy
could've
ass
been
crackers
home
ain't gonna put
already.
their hands on me, bro.
That's how you act,
Fuck,
bro.
nigga, you letting them do me any kind of way, nigga.
Bro, look how
Bro,
you
you
act.
letting them do me any kind of way, nigga.
What I'm letting
Man,
you
bro,
do?
you letting them do me any kind of way, Miss Nikki.
All right, so
Miss Nikki.
nah, we finna have this conversation
Man,
like
Miss
men.
Nikki.
We gonna do this like men.
Man, bro, y'all got me fucked up. Miss
gonna
Nikki,
do
bro,
it
they
like
doing
that.
me any kind of way back here, bro.
Ain't nobody doing you no type of
Miss
way.
Nikki, bro, they doing me
You're not
any
doing
kind of way.
You're not doing that. He don't want to listen. So here's why he's going to jail, because of how he's acting. And you see he kicking the door and shit? All this could have been avoided. He could have walked off and went home. This is his doing.
Stop doing that.
Ma'am, you don't have to tell him nothing. Because we already tried to talk to him. He don't want to listen.
I know I'm wrong.
In the door.
Chill out.
Now you gotta go to the streets because of how you acting.
Fuck what y'all talking about, nigga.
Or you can chill
Y'all
out.
got me fucked up.
Or you can chill out.
Fuck what y'all
Just
talking
saying
about,
in the
nigga.
cab that we're going to be
Y'all got
hobbling
me
them.
fucked up,
The
nigga.
850s with.
Fuck, man, y'all got me fucked up. Fuck, nigga, I can't even get the fuck out the frame, nigga. Fuck wrong with you, nigga. Well, y'all got me fucked up, nigga.
Problem?
Man, what that pussy ass crackhead that tried to choke me, bro?
Who tried to choke you?
Man, this cracker right here.
You tried
Yeah,
to
you.
What?
Do it.
Do what?
Do it.
Do what?
Do it.
What, Buck?
Do it.
What?
Do it.
Do what?
Do it.
Man,
Do it.
relax. Come on.
Do it.
Lean back for me.
Do it. Do it.
Lean back for me.
Do it. Do it, pussy ass cracker. Do it.
Stop, bro.
Man, do it. Man, cracker, do it.
Stop.
Man, fuck, nigga.
Stop.
Oh, you got me fucked up, nigga. Man, let my foot go, nigga.
Don't kick him. You will get fucked up. You understand?
Come on, bro. Get off the dog.
No, he's kicking my officer. Leave. Leave now.
Just stop it on.
It's funny how when they trying to get him to comply, nobody don't say nothing. Only the black lady that know the dad or something like that. Miss Nikki, yeah. Only she was really trying to calm it down. But now that the officers gotta apply that, they gotta apply some form of act right. Now all of a sudden, oh, get off him, get off him, get off. What? Out of here, man. You should have been talking to your boy, telling him to chill out. We wouldn't even have to do all this. First of all, you should have just never came back to the stove. All your homeboys, once he get put in handcuffs, now the homeboys want to pull up and this and that. Where was y'all at earlier? Yo, don't go back to the store. Like, y'all should have been trying to keep him away from that store to keep him away from going to jail. That's why you gotta watch your circle, man. You gotta watch your circle. They cool, they wanna be cheerleaders when everybody getting involved, sure. But they don't wanna prevent the incident from happening in the first place. The cops should have never even been called back to that store. Why? Because good friends would have had him in line. Yo, chill out. Don't go back there. Like, chill out. Because his friends know about what happened earlier. Like, come on. Like, you know what I mean? And then they got to get on him now. You know what I'm saying? Now, this one here, he do got a little, you could tell he got a little aggression with him. You could tell. But for this incident, it's justified. It is what it is.
You're supposed to just pull out the door.
Yep, pull out the door.
You have to sit up.
Okay. Let him sit up, bro, I know what I'm doing.
He was charged with resisting an officer and trespassing.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.